प्रश्न पडटा न्ही, अरे बाबा सगळे तुमच्या जाताना
How would you reply to
जायना नाचूंक कळना आंगण वांकडे.
कारण why I'm saying
for time.
No, why I'm saying is जे राज्यसभेक रिप्लाय दिला थंय ताणी एक गजाल सांगल्या की लँड इज comes under state list.
Yes.
So for the protection of land, I think that was the initial proposal that went to the Union Ministry in 2013.
Yeah.
So he clearly says that land is a state subject and state can enact legislations which can protect the interest of Goans.
See, till that period we get a special provision or special status. Government of Goa can bring in a legislation in consultation with the Advocate General, with other lawyers, and we can come out with one legislation saying that, okay, no selling of our land, agricultural land to outsiders. We can sell only developed land. Developed land could be a bungalow or a flat. You know, it could be a sanad land, not agricultural land. No orchard land can be sold to an outsider.
So this is, you are saying this is an intermediate arrangement.
No, till we get the we come in that Article 371 of the Constitution.
He intermediate
till we get
arrangement.
the provisions.
He intermediate
Yes,
arrangement.
we can come out in this assembly as much in this assembly which is going on, but in consultation with the Advocate General and other.
Correct. पण तुम्ही म्हणतात की इन लॉंग रन आमकां स्पेशल प्रोविजन स्पेशल स्टेटस जायच
100%
यू डोंट एग्री विथ दिस तो म्हणटा की करिया न्ही टाइम बीइंग प्रोटेक्ट करपाक करिया.
एक म्हणल्यार मायकल बाबाच्या मनान खूब आसत, तें जातलें म्हणून कांय गॅरंटी ताच्यान दिवंक जायना. तो काय पत्रकार न्ही, तांचो वन मॅन शो. सो हातून दॅट इज वाय आय एम सेइंग ही मे नॉट बी द रायट मॅन टू गिव ऑल दीस आन्सर्स, बिकॉज ही मे हावेवर विश to put these things in order. He was talking about tourism, sound.
I believe that he is representing the party after due consultation with his leader.
No.
See,
the party, their party and their leader, and whether your channel, how much the leader considers your channel, because that day he said, "Apun te poena म्हणून." So तो पोयना जाल्यार तो कोणाकूय धाडूंक शकता. आणि ते कितें जाता
ताजे उपरांत ताणें सांगलें की आमी डिबेटा आपूण कोण कोण हे करता मागीर ताका तें खबर आहा आमकां पळयता म्हणून.
म्हणटकर हाजेर एक दिसता की देर इज दे आर जम्पिंग द गन वेन इट कम्स टू स्पेशल स्टेटस. व्हडलो हायप केली ताजेर, आतां तांच्यान दे कॅनॉट डिलिव्हर. देर आर अ सिरीज ऑफ मिस्टेक्स दॅट दे आर मेकिंग, यू टर्न्स. तांणी MOI, कझिनोज, रिजनल प्लॅन हाजेर सगळ्याचेर यू टर्न मारिल्ले आहा. सो आज मनोहर पर्रीकार यू टर्न मारता म्हणल्यार ताजेर व्हडलें कांयच कोणाक गोंयकारांक तरी व्हडलें वायट दिसना. इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, एंड इवन इन द केस ऑफ स्पेशल स्टेटस ही वील जस्टिफाय इट. देरफॉर आय चॅलेंज देम that let us all resign. कित्याक you don't have Sonia Gandhi to blame.
See, this is not the solution. This is not the solution. We are elected by the people to do good for them. Now special status was also on our
manifesto.
Agenda,
not on the manifesto. It is
and
not on the
also
manifesto.
on their manifesto.
But
they failed. That is, the Congress party failed, because earlier Vijay was with the Congress party. They failed for 3 terms. Give us 1 term and we will deliver. Give us only 1 term. This is the term. एवढेच वर्सां जाल्या. आमचो सरकार आता येला सेंटराक. आमी Article 371 of the Constitution of India, we will bring provision for Goa. This is the word given by Honorable Chief Minister and also Honorable Prime Minister, who was then the campaign leader.
Vijay, तू जेन्ना म्हणटा,
So I am requesting Vijay, please have some patience.
Okay, म्हाका विजय भाई एक सांग, तू म्हणटा की state can amend laws and state can protect its own identity.
Yeah.
Do you mean to say that we don't require special status?
No, I'm not saying that. See,
no, that's what you're saying. You're saying state can do it. Why go to center? Why ask for special status?
No. When you ask the center something which it says it can't give, and you try to dilute your demand to just show the people that Baba आमी कितें तरी केलें. So it appears that this is a premeditated farce.
No, but when you are saying
fraud on the people of Goa.
But when you are saying that state can enact laws which can protect its identity, then you mean to say that there is no point in going for special status.
What is the
state cannot enact any law, cannot relax any law as far as central laws are concerned. I am talking about here on CRZ, where entire coast of Goa is suffering today. I am talking on sound, where entire coast and internal people are also suffering. Weddings are suffering. Everybody is suffering. We require relaxation on all this. This can come under the special status. Goa has to be
special status. Resolution an aikalne.
No, this should be the part of it also.
Should be.
Yeah, it should be part of
but
that.
It isn't. It is not what
तो म्हणटा
Parrikar said.
आता वतना आपण घालता
Yes,
म्हणटा.
this is
आता
what
ते
I am
तुका-
proposing.
आता
I
ते-
as a legislator, I am proposing this because my people are facing
And
this
you are saying
problem.
this will be incorporated.
Yes, this has to be done. This has to
Very
be done.
good, but
Of
he is
course,
giving himself another 2.5
infrastructure.
years.
You look at Goa being a small state, we are giving so much of revenue to the center in terms of income tax.
ना एकदा जेन्ना
We are not
Okay.
getting
Okay.
anything
No, no,
in return
exam-
back.
exam
We
तर-
should be getting the infrastructure
Correct.
ना
projects
एक्झाम जर फेल
back.
झाली
हय.
जाल्यार सप्लिमेंटरी मेळटा आता एक वर्ष
He is saying he will not go for supplementary.
No. Now,
no. We
now
want
what
direct.
he's asking is a supplementary after 2.5 years. He's telling you to wait, be in cold storage. Wait, patience. गोंयकारांक खूब patience आसता. तो आतां तयारी करता गोंयकारांची फुडले 2.5 वर्सां कानान घालपाक. तांणी कानान घाल्लेंच आहा. आतां ते म्हणटा आमच्यात जायना, तुमी सगळे या. चल विजय आयिल्लो, कितें जालें वचून? ते ओगीच नाजाल्यार ते भायर भोंवतात. आतां ते आमकां दिल्ली म्हणून भोंवडावन हाडूंक सोदतात. ही सगळी दोळ्यांक उदक लावपाची ही गेम ह्यो. क्लियर कट एक आहा की तुजो जर सरकार तुका मानना ताणें उत्तर दिलें कशें तो म्हणटा राजनाथ सिंग आपल्या कडेन 2दा फोनार उलयलो फोनार उलोवनूय आन्सर कशें दिता
How will it
म्हाका
defend this,
म्हाका
Michael
दिशिल्लें
Bhatt?
गोंयचे असेंब्लीनूच
See,
जाता
I'll tell you
पार्लमेंटानूच जाता
one simple thing, let us be very frank. When did our government take over at the center? June 2014. We are only talking 1 month. Just, a small period. We have to give them time. Things are settling at the center. नित्य portfolio वाढलेले आहा, सगळी कामां, honorable Prime Minister नित्य मिटिंगो घेता. आपले मिनिस्टरांचे टू पुट थिंग्स इन ऑर्डर गोवाचे काम जे आहा न्हू फर्स्ट ही केम टू गोवा यू लुक एट द सिक्वेन्सीस वेन ही टूक ओवर एज द प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री फर्स्ट स्टेट वॉट ही ऑफिशियली विजिटेड इज गोवा आफ्टर हिज ओन स्टेट that is Gujarat, that is his parent place.
Correct.
He came first to Goa. You see, he's got special love for Goa. He loves the Goans. There are some people politically who will not agree with me, but he loves
That is
Goans.
Vijay.
No, I would not say. Maybe Vijay also likes him as a good administrator. But his party affiliations and all, it will not match. But what I am trying to say is, he loves Goa. That is why he came to Goa. He will deliver.
He will deliver. Is Michael Lobo's confident appeal and confident statement.
कितें आहा जाण न्हू पळय हो जो स्पेशल स्टेटसाचें जें उत्तर शांताराम नायकाक पार्लमेंटान मेळ्ळें दीस वॉज अ शॉक टू मॅनी नॉट टू मी इट वॉज नॉट अ शॉक बिकॉज आय नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दॅट अच्छे दिन आने वाले है जे लोकांनी विचार केले की आनी लोकांक दिसलें की अच्छे दिन आने वाले है म्हणून ते गोंयकारांक हो एक शॉक जालो
तुम्ही एक गजाल मान्य करतात एज ऑफ नाव व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग हियर
Yes.
नक्की स्पेशल स्टेटसा भितर
कितें
किती
तें?
किती मागप हाजेर आमकां अजून क्लॅरिटी ना
No, we have to sit and discuss
अरे
that.
मग
we have to
resolution
discuss.
घेतलें?
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to
He agrees
discuss.
that आता
We
बसूया
have
and
to
discuss
sit
करूया.
and discuss. See, I have got certain
2013
points. I have got certain points on
एक वर्ष
the
पयलीं.
infrastructural needs of Goa.
So you are saying
A
let's sit
6
and
lane
discuss.
this thing income taxाचो आमकां जो बेनिफिट मेळोंक जाय इतले पयशे वता आमकां कितें दिता काय ना share in foreign exchange how many foreigners were coming in Goa we are not getting any foreign exchange from that the center is getting that money that is Goa being a small state what are the requirements
आता
how
बसूया
are
आणि
we
करूया
going to
आणि.
Asset
get
remind
how are
करता.
we
ना,
going to
आता
get
बसूया आणि करूया
how are we
Asset
going to
remind
get
मारता आणि आता पळोवया म्हणटा आतांच्यान पिक्चर परतें स्टार्ट करूया म्हणटा जेन्ना रिझोल्युशन आयलें तेन्ना मायकल लोबोचें भाशण पळय स्पेशल स्टेटसाक आनी मायकल लोबोन हें जर उलयना जाल्यार तें इनकॉर्पोरेट कित्याक करूं ना चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक
And Magla,
नंबर वन
and Magla special provisions for Goa. I have asked in my
Are you
incorporate
are you ready
my,
in spite
this
of
thing.
all your opposition
See.
are you ready to be with them and again
Of course, he
I have
has
a
to be.
proposal.
I have told them I am with them to
He is
resign.
the person who
I'm
wants special provisions under Article
So
371.
you are saying that Vijay Bab is with you.
For the Constitution of India.
So you are
he
saying
wants
Vijay
him,
Bab is with you.
I want him with us. I want him honorable.
he has
Chief
already
Minister
taken
will
you with
also
them.
want him with us because BJP is going to give us. And
Final.
Congress did not
Okay.
give. UPA government did not give. BJP is going to
मागे इतलें सांग विजय
give.
बाब.
So
परत
I want
बसून
Vijay to
परत
be
बसून
part of
फ्रेश
it.
प्रपोजल करपाची तयारी आसा
सगळी प्रपोजल करूंकूच जाय सी अंटील द टायम वी आर लेजिस्लेटर्स वी हॅव टू ट्राय टू डू अवर बीट
and you are there
बट आय एम नॉट ऑफ द ओपिनियन लायक चीफ मिनिस्टर सायड की आतां कांय ना हो रेजिग्नेशन विटला जिवाक विटला म्हणून हांव जिवाक विटपी मनीस न्ही आनी हांव जीव दिवपी मनीस न्हीच हांव आमचो जीव केन्ना काडपी
रिजाइन
जीव
करून
दिवपी.
सोल्युशन ना.
तो पॉइंट एक आहा
Yeah,
की
quickly.
सिन्सियरिटी बीजेपीन आज मेरेन प्री मेडिटेटेड फ्रॉड गोंयच्या लोकांचेर केल्ले आहा हे परते करपाक ट्राय करनाकात.
बरें
हे म्हजे
म्हजो वेळ
sincere
सोंपला
request.
विजय वेळ सोंपला. विजय बाब एक म्हणटा की आपूण रेजिग्नेशन दिनासतना परत प्रपोजल तयार करपाक बसपाक आपल्याला तयारी आसा पण खंय तरी ते आनेक प्री मेडिटेटेड फ्रॉड जावचे न्ही. मायकल बाब इज व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट की जातले अमेंडमेंट सुद्दां जातली फक्त बसया आणि परत नक्की किती जाय ते पेपराचेर घालून प्रपोजल तयार करया. तुमी दोगी जाण आयले इतली बरी भासाभास केली. म्हाका खुबश्यो गजाली ह्या डिबेटांतल्यान स्पश्ट जाल्यात आणि इतले बरे विचार मांडले. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.